Hey guys, good day everyone. For today's video guys, I wanna show you kung paano po mag-change ng text or paragraph into lowercase to uppercase. Yeah. First, open muna tayo ng Microsoft Word and then meron na po akong sample paragraph and then type po tayo ng Control E. Yan. And then Shift F3 po. Yan. Yan guys, na-change na po yung text or paragraph guys into uppercase to lowercase in easy way. Yan guys, I hope that this video guys will help you in your work or in the school. Yan, if bago po kayo sa channel ko, please do subscribe and click the notification bell. Thank you.